Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing more Hot Wheels mystery cars. Now the last time I did this, we opened up 3 2007 mystery cars. On this video, we're doing 5 2009 cars. So if you don't know, Hot Wheels did these mystery cars with these totally blacked out packages for a few years. And inside there's few different interesting cars. I think in 09, what I'm after, there's a Ferrari Testarossa, I think. There's a Ford GTX-1, and maybe a Ford Focus. So that's what I'm looking for. But anyways, here's the lot. If you are nostalgic for 2007 mystery cars, don't worry. I'll be opening up 5 2007 mystery cars in the next video, or in a couple of weeks, whichever comes first. So without further ado, here we go. Let's just look at these real quick. Each one of these cars has a, like this little barcode. I don't actually know what the barcode does. The last time I tried to open these up really nice to like save the packaging, I ain't doing that. We're just tearing into it. So let's start with this first car. Let's see what we get. What are we thinking? All right, it's a fantasy car. Whoa. This is called Nitro Door Slammer. Okay, this is pretty cool. It's got a freaking wheelie bar, man. Twin turbos. Or maybe they're twin centrifugal superchargers, but this one's pretty cool. I like the addition of the extra wheelie bar on it. That's pretty trick. Looks like you get, seems like, oh yeah, you put it away if you don't want it. Hell yeah. All right, pretty cool first pull. It's got the super fast wheels, 5 spokes, not bad. Good color combo. It's like a plum crazy with orange. Sweet. All right, car number 2. One other thing to note is if you look at the back here, it says look for all the 2009 vehicles. There's 24 different mystery cars that you could get. And this is from a time period that's still licensed by Ferrari, so that's pretty cool. And I heard they're just bringing, they're going to be allowed to make Hot Wheels with Ferrari castings again, so that'll be pretty rad. But here we go, box number 2. Let's see what we get. Hopefully no repeats. That would be a major bummer. Okay, all right, I like what I see already. Damn, check this out. It's called Shadow. I actually don't know anything about this. I'm assuming this is another fantasy car, but pretty cool. Track focus car, obviously. Nice little cockpit with a seat, steering wheel, NACA duct, engine out back. Got a V8 transaxle hanging out there. This is pretty cool. It's got Holly Champion logos on it. I like this one. I don't know if I didn't have this one as a kid. So pretty psyched. This might be cool for a wheel swap. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. And just like that, we are on to car number 3. Now, I got this lot off of eBay for what I thought was a pretty reasonable price, about $2.50 per car. Other people were asking like $8, and like I'm not paying that if I'm just gonna rip these open. I'm not saving these. I want to see what's inside. I can't resist. Car number 3. What do we got? Definitely another fantasy car. All right. Oh boy. This is one of the uglier ones. Shell Shock. Twin revolvers pointing out front. Hell yeah, brother. I don't think this has any special features. It's got like the treasure hunt logo on it. I don't think this is anything special. Could be wrong, but I don't know. It's a lot of plastic. Base is metal. Top portion is plastic. Kind of feels a little creaky. I don't know. Okay, it's fine, I guess. It's just feels like a McDonald's one. Not my favorite. All right, second to last mystery car for 2009. Let's get after it. This one feels kind of long. Come on, please be the Ford GTX-1. All right, no, it's not a Ford GTX-1. It's a Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt. Oh, sorry. Nope, it's a Custom Galaxy. That's my bad. Don't drag me. 1964 Galaxy. But it has a Thunderbolt hood, so I got a little too excited. Pretty cool. Matte black, silver stripe or silver flames on it. dual exhaust out the center. That's pretty trick. Little sort of NASCAR-like spoiler on the rear end. This one's pretty cool. I still like the Pontiac Bonneville that I pulled from the 07 mystery cars, but this isn't too bad. Nice and low. Kind of dig it. Red interior, not too shabby. Good detail on it, I guess. Good paint. Final car. All right, I don't have high hopes, but let's see what we get. Hopefully another real car, not another fake. Oh gosh, another Galaxy. All right, well, it is what it is. That is the dice that you roll with this sort of game with the mystery cars. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments. Again, keep your eye out for the next 2007 mystery car unboxing. And here's a recap on everything we got. The 2 Galaxies, I forget what this is called already. Nitro Door Slammer, Shell Shock, and Shadow. A little note on this one. This is the Shadow Mark IIA. I looked it up, and I guess it's apparently based on a 1971 Can-Am racing car championed by the Shadow team. That's what we got. All right. Thanks for watching. Tune in every Monday, and I'll be trying to post. Thanks, guys.